Peekaboo. I'm filming right now. Alrighty, we are in the shop, and this will be a probably a couple week long. It'll take a week or two to film everything for this video. That or we'll just make a bunch of short videos. Who knows? We'll see. Guess I'll decide when I go to edit them. But we are working on the Tacoma. The hood's up. We are going to put the hood struts on today and maybe fix a fender liner. I have this piece right here with me, which is a mirror cap for the inside of the door on the driver's side. So we're going to put that on, which should be nice and quick. And the hood struts shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. Shouldn't being the key word, but I always seem to make it longer somehow. And then this grill just like popped out, but it's because this one won't go in here because this hole is a little squished. So in case you guys didn't know, this truck was wrecked at one point, and that's why a lot of this aftermarket stuff is going on it. But we have a couple things that involve taking the grill off, and so when we go to put those on, we should be able to fix that so the grill sits right. But let's put this little guy in here. Well, now that we did the easy one, aka the one we can't do till we go get another part, we're going to work on the hood struts, which should be easy. And this is going to be the hard one. So much better than this dumb thing right here. Okay, cool. Alright, so that is a wrap for the hood struts. Pretty straightforward. These are from, you can kind of see a sticker there. These are from AVR Customs. He's a YouTuber, Austin Niamela. Check him out. But yeah, so I got these from him for a good discount on one of his sales he had. And man, oh man, is that so much better. It holds, not only does it hold the hood higher, it completely eliminates that post. So now you don't have to do this thing and worry about the hood falling as you're putting it up and all that. It literally comes up the second you release the latch. Like, just look at this. Look, get on the latch. You go. You release the latch. And just like that, the hood is up. So that is definitely nice. And I'm trying to make this engine bay a little nicer, a little more modern. One of the next things I want to add, which I just have to install, is this. There is a engine bay light from, I believe, TEQ Customs that goes across here and has a trigger here or a button switch to turn it on that mounts right here. And so that's probably what we'll do, so just a button switch, and that will light up this engine bay so well if we ever have to work on it. It is a Toyota though, so chances of that are slim to none.